Hello, today I finally received the Leagoo M9 Pro, which is a new smartphone. It's around $90. It has a removable back, battery. We'll get to that soon. Oh yeah, it has a 3000 milliamp hour battery, 2 gigs of RAM, and a new MediaTek 6739 chip, which I've stated is bad, but I'm willing to give it another chance. Maybe Leagoo was able to implement it better. We also have Android 8.1, rear camera 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel rear facing camera. Front facing camera. So let's open this up. And we have the phone in the baggie. So it does come in a case already, and it's fitted pretty tightly. Okay, let's take this off. So I like the green accents. Screen protector pre-installed, and the back protector as well. We're gonna take this off. Okay, so the back is plastic, and this I knew already, but the phone still feels pretty nice. It feels pretty cheap. The back actually feels pretty cheap, but there's nothing we can do. And I believe that, yep, we do have the cover over here. Alright, so straight away powered by Android. Let's put this case back on. So this phone is pretty thick for a battery its size, but personally, this thickness level doesn't really bother me. I don't care for like super thin phones, but they could have made this lighter, that's for sure. So yeah, we have first impressions of the screen. The screen is pretty good. It's 5.72 inches. And I'm gonna set this up and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've set up the phone and I installed a few apps. And this is the phone. I switched the animation speeds to Android to 0.5. So it's running pretty good right now. For 2 gigs of RAM, this is actually pretty responsive, as you can see. So website loading is also pretty quick. So yeah, what I wanted to test was the speakers. So the screen is pretty impressive. A very slim bezels on the top and bottom, and barely any bezels on the side. And it does get fairly bright. Okay, it does respond. The speaker's on the back, so let's just flip it over. That is the loudest. So the speaker is very quiet. It could be just a song, but what we're also testing is the quality itself, and the quality is not that bad at all. So what does this phone offer? Let's see how gaming performance is. And to be honest, I don't have much high hopes for this because I already tested the UMDG A1 and they're very similar in specs. The only difference is that this has only 2 gigs of RAM and UMDG has 3 gigs. So yeah, it's really not doing well. So yeah, not the best performance. It's not smooth. It's lagging a bit. And if a phone can't handle a game like that, then it can't handle any game. So let's try flip the gun. And loading speeds are slow as well, so this just proves even further that the MediaTek 6739 isn't a good chip. Oh wow, even this game is lagging. You guys see that? Wait, I'm gonna show you that again. Okay, now it's working better. The fuck? Why is it not? Okay, I'm not, it's like double tapping. A very sunny day on the Leagoo M9 Pro. Front-facing camera of the Leagoo M9 Pro. So I'm just walking. Okay, final thoughts. So don't get this phone as a cheap gaming device because the MediaTek 6739, it's a bad chip as I've proven in previous videos. So I mean, you could use it as a daily driver and play light games, but I mean, honestly, I can't imagine anyone go upgrading to this phone from a current phone they have. Like, basically, any phone you have right now is better than this. Like, the only good thing I can say is the screen and the Android 8.1. Like, this, I don't think this is a bad phone, but it just the way it performs that I don't really like, and also the plastic back. I mean, it is removable, but it does feel sort of cheap. But I do admit, not as cheap as most plastic phones. This does feel premium because of its weight and its build, like overall, and the shape of the phone. So should you get this phone? $90. I mean, it's a good buy, I guess, but I mean, it is a bit overpriced for what it is. I would recommend looking at other options, or just spending a bit and getting and just upgrading. Just spending a bit more and getting a better phone overall. I think that's the best option. So there's certainly nothing special about this phone. Um, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more phone reviews. I'll see you in the next video.